it's Kasha Panarista 101. Today we're going to be creating my catch-all spreads for the month of June. So here we go. We're going to be creating 3 of them. My catch-all, which is sketchy florals, then my meal plan, and my social media. So here we go. For my catch-all, I usually do a blank canvas, so bear with me as I do that. And then we'll go ahead and create this spread together. So I usually just use a very bright printing paper in here, and then I line it up and of course trim. So that's what we're going to do today. So as I trim, I just wanted to say thank you. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, I truly, truly appreciate you. If you just found me, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you like planning and stationery hauls and stuff like that, you're in the right place. So if you're not subscribed already, I'd really appreciate you doing so. I love having you guys here. So this is a Happy Planner Dates sticker book. I just keep it on my desk consistently as I use it quite a bit. So I'm just going to pull June, put it down. We're going to use a green one. I still don't know what I'm doing as far as my spread goes, but we will see, right? And of course, I have all of my currently book from Mojojojo plans. We're going to use one of these. I'm just using my tweezers to pull it up. These nails are not very conducive when it comes to like pulling up stickers, so that's okay. I will deal with it. And then I use these frames, you guys, to create like spreads. So I'll show you how you can use that with any like skeleton boxes. I think they'll be kind of fun to do it with different ones. Eventually I will, but for right now, I do like my black ones and I do like how this looks. So I'm using the bigger ones today. I usually use 9, so that makes sense. That like that's how it kind of laid out. So I'm just gonna put this down and try to do it like without any creases. So that's like the tricky part of this. So you see that? Like you have to be so gentle peeling this up. But yeah, for the most part, it's pretty easy. And there we go. And that is my skeleton for currently page. So there's like a little bulge up here and that bugs me. So we're going to take that off. And there's a tiny bit up here as well. So let's do that. And then, yeah, so the first part of this is done. And now I can go ahead and start doing the rest. So I have this beautiful book from Live Love Polish. It's called Chic Summer. It is from last year, and I'm just gonna use it in here. And then we're gonna go ahead and find a page that I like. Maybe this one. I haven't used these in a little bit. So we're gonna do eating and drinking. I'm just gonna pull a whole bunch. How about cooking? Cooking, eating, drinking can go together. Okay. And then crafting. Just putting them on my hand for now and then we'll transfer. Planting, so like plants, and planning, like with the planner. So let's do that. So I'm gonna put planning, planting, eating, drinking, and cooking. If you guys hear a little bit of a patter patter on my floor, that's my puppy Toa. He just came over to my craft room slash filming studio. So yeah, that's what he's doing. And we're gonna do filming, or not filming, viewing, and I'm gonna put it on the top so this way it looks better, at least to me. Reading, and then I need one more, and watching. So perfect, those are done. Now on to the decorating of this page. So this one is usually one that takes me the longest to do. So I'm gonna just go ahead and try to get it done for you guys. So I am using the Chic Summer from Live Love Posh, and I am using like the daisies with other florals. And I think that is so stunning. Like it's just beautiful. So I'm just keeping it super simple this time, you guys. I'm gonna just put the flowers down and probably nothing much more because these are just so stunning. You really don't need a lot. So here we go. That was a really, really fun book to use. So yeah, I'll keep going. Okay. I'm gonna cut this one in half and see if I can fit it like on top next to the currently. I think so. Let's see. Yeah, that looks good, at least to me. Let me know what you guys think. But yes, I'm enjoying this immensely. Um, Nothing from here. I think even though they're smaller, I think I want to stick with like the big florals. Um, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and add like half of flower up here. I need something on the bottom because it's too empty. Much better. Let's see this one. How about half of it? Yeah, that works. So I can put half of it back. Perfect. Maybe this might fit. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that works. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take these lemons and I'm gonna just cut what I need because this is one sticker, you guys, but I'm gonna just cut up into small pieces into what I need and then we'll go from there. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm gonna put those wedges here and there to like add a little bit more of the summer vibe, maybe. I don't know. I don't know why I'm doing it, but that's what I want to do. Let's see how it turns out. Sometimes I like combining things that don't really make sense. So yeah, let's do that. So I'm gonna add those. I think I'm gonna add the rest of them. I don't know. I'm thinking. I'm thinking, you guys. So let's add that. Look how cute. Yeah, that looks good. Like it adds something different. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. I know this might be crazy, but oh well. Okay, let's keep going. I'm cutting one by one. I should have just taken the whole thing off and just cut it up. I'm always afraid that they're like going to fold on me or something like that. And yeah, I have sticker problems. They seem to be staying on my stickers quite a bit. So I'm gonna have to figure out what to do here. Okay, couple more wedges and then we're moving on to spread number 2. I am so glad you guys are here and hanging out with me. Let me know what you guys did for Memorial Day. It is my dog's birthday. It falls on the 26th, so we actually are doing so many fun things that I have a full plan for him. So yeah, we're gonna take my little puppy on 2 adventures, so it'll be good. Okay, so that one's done. There's like not a space to put anything else in here. I think it looks good. I really do like this look. So I'm gonna pop this in and we go to the next one. So that one is my wellness, and that one is exotic borders. That's what it's called. All of my planners are classic, just so you guys know, classic size, because I do Franklin plan. So this is Fruit and Florals from Live Love Posh. This is such a fun book. Um, this came in one of those mystery boxes that I received, and super super fun. I could not help myself. So I think let's use. How about we keep with the lemon thing? Let's do this. Let's do the blue and the yellow. I really like that look. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. So in my wellness, I track a few things. I track food for my dog. So those are the meals that I make him or the meals that he eats. And that is mostly so if something happens or if you get sick, I can refer back. They can't talk, they can't speak to us, so that is always so difficult. But not no yellow boxes. Oh, there were yellow, but okay. I'm just gonna use this. So muchacho. But yeah, so I just refer back, and when I go to the vet, I'm able to tell them like what he was eating, what he was doing. So yeah, and then as far as the bottom portion, I usually put like favorite meals or favorite restaurants or something like that. So that is also kind of fun. And then up here, I'm going to put top 3 meals of June. So I fill out my currently pages at the end of the month. Like as I'm preparing to create the video of a flip through of a month, this is when I sit down and fill it out. It's usually right on the cusp of the months. Look at that. I already made a boo-boo. Okay. So yeah, anyway, it's usually right on the cusp of the month, so I know more or less. Or sometimes, like when I'm switching over the planners, that's when I'll do that. Because I only keep 1 month at a time, so like at the verge of the month, sometimes I'm keeping 2 months in my planner, and that's what happens. So that's when I'm gonna fill that out. Let me know when you guys fill out your currently pages. Is it the month prior, like as the month starts, or do you wait till the end? Like, what is your preferred way of doing that? Because, like I said, for me, I want it to be about the month that it says on the top. So I do want it to be about June, so I can't fill it out in May, right? So, kind of how it works for me. Let's go ahead and lift up this lemon with the bird. It's going to be very lemony, you guys. But the blue and the yellow is such a good color combo for me. I cannot help myself. Okay, so we keep going. How about this one? Just add a pop of orange in here. I don't know. It's okay. Not my favorite, but it's okay. And then I'm gonna add like these little doodle leaves. They look so good. I just want to like decorate a little bit more because I love, love, love full spreads, as you guys know. And yeah, so that's what we're doing here. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh. I don't know. This are like these lemons are too big, even though I want to include some. Let's see, too big. So I'm gonna put this back for my next spread because let's be honest, I'm gonna be using this more than once. So fruits and florals. It's such a fun book. Like I said, it's very different and it's gonna give you some unique spreads for sure. So there's that one. We have one more spread to do, and this one is also blank canvas, you guys. So this one is my social media, and I track 4 top videos of the month, the stuff that you guys like the most, so I know what it is, and I can give you your preferences. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. I'm gonna glue this down really fast. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab one of the books that I have on the side. I prepped this time, so then this wouldn't be as long. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just glue it down. I need to find my, yeah, there we go. Almost done. Okay, so yeah, I'm gluing this down. Let's do this. Okay, now trim, trim, trim. Do you guys see my Westie obsession? This is another spread I did in my social media. Speaking of social media, that video I am still going to be filming of all of my social media planners throughout the years. So you guys can see everything in one video. If you guys have not seen my catch-all, I highly recommend it. It is long, but it's like 4.5 years of planning, full planning. So yeah, it's quite fun. And for this one, I think I'm going to use this sticker book called Wonderlust from Live Love Posh. But of course, let's put June first, and then let's find a box that I like. Look how big this one is. Okay, I'm gonna find the backs that I like, but I'm gonna see which collection I'm using first so I can match the backs. So this book, very loved. I have quite a few Level of Posh books. They're like fully finished. There's like maybe 3 or 4 stickers left in there. So I am a pretty heavy sticker user, you guys. So I don't know. Do you guys have books that you completely finish and that makes you so proud? I am keeping like the empty books for myself to kind of have this as like a proud moment. I don't know. It's weird, I know, right? Okay, let's use this. It's super bright and colorful, and I will love it and I want it. So let's do it. I'm gonna go ahead and take this big corner piece, first of all. Yeah, perfect. Let's do it. I love it. Okay, and then this one is gonna go right here, and I'm just gonna cut the excess off. I love when my stickers are huge and fun and different. So yeah, this is definitely something that I love to do. So I'm just adding the corner piece to there. I don't like to waste stickers if I don't have to. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to the edges like so. And I can just cut the excess, no big deal. Look at that. Okay, and then let's keep going. I don't want like the colors to be super next to each other, so that's why I did the yellow here and yellow here. But we shall see how this comes out because I don't want to waste another flower, but maybe I will. Okay, let's just do that. That looks kind of weird, but it's okay. I don't know. Unless you know, like, I think your eye will not go there. I don't know. You guys let me know. And then this one will go here. And then I'm just going to cut a small piece of that and then put it right there as well, like so. Okay, that works. So now I want to put this big city in here. I don't know why I have the urge to do that, but I do, so we're gonna do it. So yeah, that's gonna go here, and then I'm gonna put a box, and that'll be pretty much it. So let me know if you guys like this, if this is like weird or quirky. But yeah, I really do like when my spreads come out like this, very bold, big, and beautiful. So that's exactly what I'm doing. How about we use one of those boxes? I don't know which one. Like the lines drive me nuts, so they can't have lines. It has to be a clean box because that's what I do. Let's see. Let's use this one. I'm like pulling it up. Okay. But because of the size of this, I'm gonna have to pull those two peaks on of the buildings and then slide this right underneath, like so. Okay, it's a little crooked, but it's okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and draw a couple dots, like bullet points. So we're gonna put cut for videos in June, and then we're gonna draw those bullet points because yeah, I want them to be tiny. Like look how cute they look. Okay, and that is it, my loves. I'm gonna put this back into my planner. Oh, I need to punch this, don't I? Okay, I'm gonna punch this and then put it back into my planner, and that will be it. Let me know what you guys think. I actually can't pick a favorite between this one and my first one, my catch-all, so I kind of love them both. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon. Bye!